I think it's really important for people to tell their stories, and I think creative writing and creativity is a great way to do that. A lot of our lives are spent rushing from one place to another. I think giving people the chance to sit and think and reflect on different parts of their lives and talk to people about their experiences and their memories and where they've been and where they're going is a beautiful thing.
Alluded to a gentle rolling wave from that. So I don't know whether it's the sunshine and the idea that this is a satsuma and kind of associated with holidays and things.
It's my grandfather's favourite book. After I left home, he got hold of my copy and he pinched it. He stole my copy of Mr. Polly.
The more we encourage people to read, write, take a wide interest in lots of different cultural activities, the better, and I think libraries do that very well.
Then it changed hands and became the Old George. Somehow it was never quite the same after that. But like anything else, it was nice while it lasted.
Ah, lovely.